Hello everyone, my name is Shweta. I am from Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. I am here to explain about the BTech final year project by Electrical and Electronics Department of Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. The title of our project is A Solar Powered Kiosk for Contactless Body Temperature Sensor and Hand Sanitizer Dispenser with Automatic Flip Gates. The name of our guide is Kiran Kumar BM, Assistant Professor of Electrical and Electronics Department of Ramaya University of Applied Sciences. The name of our group members are Shweta H, Saujanya K, Tanusha NJ and Vanishri BC. Myself, Shweta, will be explaining about the introduction, components used in the project and the block diagram explanation with respect to our project. Tanusha will be explaining the results with respect to hand sanitizer dispenser and temperature detection. Vanishri will be explaining the results with respect to flip gate working according to the temperature of the human body with the help of the Tinkercad. And the Saujanya will be explaining about the specifications of the kiosk of our project. Introduction to our project. Firstly, we are all aware of outbreak of COVID-19. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, there is a huge loss of life, and to reduce the spread of coronavirus, series of lockdowns were implemented. As soon as the lockdowns were lifted, there raised an issue in maintaining social distancing, which resulted in large gatherings. In a close view of symptoms of coronavirus, many came up with different inventions like hand sanitizer, human temperature screening. But this is again an issue because it again a point of human coming into contact, making it a less effective and time consuming process. Hence, this idea of contactless body temperature sensor and hand sanitizer dispenser was fabricated on the basis to reduce the human contact and reduce the spread of COVID-19. The components used for our project are as follows. The sealed lead acid battery of 12 volts 4Ah, 12 volts 10 watts of solar panel, PWM charge controller, Arduino Nano, 75 RPM servo motor, L293D 12 volts of motor driver, MLX 90615 IR temperature sensor and IR sensor for hand sanitizer dispenser.
Design of the kiosk model using CAD software. CAD software is used to design the kiosk and all possible views is taken in both 2D and 3D phase. Considering normal human structure of India, kiosk is designed with a height of 7 feet and the width of 3 feet so that any human being can easily walk through it. Mild steel is used to construct the kiosk and weight of the kiosk is taken care, that is it can be portable, can move from one place to another place without any difficulty. Kiosk resembles like a door structure and it has depth about 2 feet and it is covered with a polycarbonate sheets. These polycarbonate sheets will protect the kiosk from rainfall, wind, etc. Height of the placing a sanitizer chamber is considered and placed at exact height. And flip gate is placed exactly in the middle of the kiosk. Exit flip gate is attached to the one end of the hind of the kiosk so that it should not face any difficulty while opening and closing. Initially, flip gate is at 0 degree, that is horizontal position. When it has to open, it will move 90 degree in clockwise direction. And temperature sensor is kept at the top of the kiosk in order to measure the temperature. Thank you.
The block diagram of our project. At first, I am explaining how the flip gates will work with respect to temperature variation in the human body. The main idea here is when the temperature is less than 99 Farad, the flip gate will open. It is the normal human body temperature. When the temperature is greater than 99 Farad, the flip gate will not open. It is the abnormal human body temperature. The rectangular shape shown in the block diagram is kiosk. When the person enters the kiosk, the temperature sensor senses the temperature of the human body and it sends the signal to microcontroller. Microcontroller sends the signal to motor driver. Motor driver operates the motor of the flip gate. The flip gate will be opened when the detected temperature is normal and it will not be opened when the detected temperature is abnormal. Now I will be explaining about the hand sanitizer dispenser. As soon as we keep hands under the hand sanitizer dispenser, the IR sensor detects the hand. The signal will be sent to microcontroller and it sends the signal to motor driver. Motor driver operates the motor of the hand sanitizer dispenser. Here it is motor 2. and then the 2 drops of liquid will be flown to the hands. In block diagram, we can also see the battery, solar panel and charge controller. The battery can be charged using solar panel as well as the power socket. Since we are placing the kiosk at the entrance of any of the workplace, we can use the solar panel to get the power supply. It is at our advantage that we can get the solar rays easily. But it is not always dependent on the solar panel due to abnormal weather condition. Hence, we can use both solar panel as well as the power socket for charging the battery. Here we have used 10 watts solar panel. 10 watts solar panel generates about 40 watts. That is 40 watts power is generated by solar panel per day. The total power generated by all the components used in the project is 11.36. Hence it is economical. We have also used the charge controller. Charge controller, it limits the current added or drawn from the battery. It also prevents overcharging and protects against the overvoltage. The battery we have used is lead acid battery. It is of 12 watts.
Working of hand sanitizer dispenser. When the person keeps his/her hand under the hand sanitizer dispenser, the IR sensor detects the hand, that is, radiations. As mentioned in the above block diagram explanation, the system will dispense 2 drops of hand sanitizer and it will stop. This is because we have programmed the delay of 500 nanoseconds. Working of temperature sensor. Here the temperature sensor used is MLX90615, that is mainly used for temperature detection. Data, that is temperature, from the real world is sensed through the sensor. MLX90615 temperature sensor consists of thermophile. Within the thermophile there is a semiconductor structure which captures radiations. Every hot body produces black body radiations. When the radiations are high, thermophile, that is semiconductor structure within thermophile, capture it. Once the radiations are captured, they send it to the resistor bank. Resistor bank are within the temperature sensor. Main function of the resistor bank is to read and store the data. MLX90615 temperature sensor works on the principle of Stefan-Boltzmann law. At 5 mm distance, the detection range is maximum. It can be used at a distance of 2 to 5 cm.
Here we have used Tinkercad software for presenting the operation of the gate. In this software we can run the program in the Arduino virtually required for our project. Once the setup is done and program is dumped, we have to start simulating the program. Here the temperature is premierly set to 25 degrees Celsius, that is 77 Fahrenheit. This is below our prescribed temperature. Hence, the servo motor rotates to 90 degrees and gate will open. As I vary temperature by clicking on the temperature sensor and increasing the temperature, the gate will remain closed. Since this temperature is above our prescribed temperature, the gate will remain closed.
We can conclude by saying from this project we have achieved contactless human body temperature screening hand sanitizer dispensing. By this project, human contact while checking can be reduced, thereby breaking the chain of the COVID to some extent. The kiosk is helpful at all outdoor workplaces, which include malls, temples, railways, educational institute, etc. Thank you.